Hello everybody, Sunshine here, also known as the IAFL. I have some really exciting news. First of all, I dropped by the post office, and I got this box. Let me move the camera. This very large, well, not large box. Second of all, I went to Spirit, and I got this. I'm gonna be a Spartan, but I couldn't find any Spartan weapons, so I just bought this toy AK-47. It's a toy, as you see. It's not an airsoft gun, it's a toy. As you see, you have to click it once to make noise, but I have a trigger finger, so I can do it really fast. Okay. But in third of all, I went to Target and they had so many Season 5 figures. And I was expecting these to come out in November, but no. I had so many Season 5 figures and this is really exciting. My mom said I could only get one, and I'm like, why? And I'm like, because we spent $88 on Halloween stuff because we got a lot of the costumes. And I'm like, hey, and she's like, we can buy the rest next time we go. And I got the Season 5 Covenant Elite Ranger. And here's some other figures from Season 5. We got Carter Helmetless, the Gunner. That's what I really want. That's really what I want. Security, a red operator with Spartan laser, a armor pack, weapon pack, Elite Ranger, I think. Yeah, this is the Elite Ranger. Skirmisher and Brute Chieftain. So that's really exciting. Now the tool of destruction I'm going to choose today is my gun. And if that doesn't work, then I think I have another one. Oh, it's actually working. Okay. Okay. I hope this is what I think it is. I really do hope this is what I think it is. Yes! That's what I wanted! Thank you so much. I'm joking. Okay. More air. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The Season 2 pack. The Season 2 Elite Airborne pack. Let me get out the light so you get to see this. Very, very awesome. It comes with a green officer and I think that's Steel Ultra. And it comes with a plasma rifle, 2 sticky grenades, jetpack obviously, and a concussion rifle. Concussion rifle is what I've really been wanting. But the only other Covenant I have is the General. I did a review on him. And I don't really count this as a Covenant, but was the Covenant, Mr. But I got 3 Covenants today, plus a gun. Well, fake gun, toy gun. And always, I will see you guys when I want to see you guys. Peace.